Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to transfer a license of your AdGuard account to another account. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to log in into your AdGuard account, and once you logged in into your adguard.com account, you need to tap on your this option on your product section. You need to select your license. Okay, and there are lots of options. You need to select license, and once you select license there is a option unbind from account. Okay, so you can choose like this option, like unbind from account. You can select product which you want to transfer, and in my case I'm going to transfer my ad blocker. So you need to select ad blocker, and then you can select like license, and you can unbind from account. And then what you have to do, you need to click on unbind. But before unbinding your account, you need to you can make a copy of, you need to note your license key. Okay, if you forget to license key, then you need to make lots of efforts. So better thing, you can copy, or you can note down your license key, and once your license key is note down, you can click on unbind. Okay, now what you have to do, you need to log in into your new account, or you need to log in into your new PC, and you need to follow the same procedure. You need to select your product, and then you need to select like license, and then when you will see like this kind of option like bind license. Okay, then you can click on bind license, and you need to enter your key, and then you can bind your license very easily. So by using this way, you can easily bind, or you can easily transfer your AdGuard account. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.